Today we're testing the Yamaha TTR50. Everything about this rider-friendly mini bike is designed to create fun and enjoyment for simple riding. The electric start 50cc 4-stroke engine is equipped with a semi-automatic 3-speed gearbox. And for added parental control, the TTR50 can only be started with the ignition key inserted. With an automatic clutch, it really is one of the most simple and enjoyable motorcycles to ride. And because it cannot be started without the ignition key, parents can take full control over its use. With a low 555mm seat, helps to make the smallest TTR feel just right for beginners. And with long travel suspension and knobby tyres, the TTR50 is ready to provide many hours of fun for all the family. I like the look of the bike because number 1 stands out. I like the gold forks, they look really cool. I like the bike because it's nice and easy to start. You just push the button and away you go. It also has a throttle restrictor. Dad can restrict it when I'm learning. And when I get better, I can go full throttle. Dad got me started by putting me in second gear and off I went. I liked how it turned and it was a smooth ride. Overall, I think this bike is perfect for the ages 4 to 7, and I had a great day. This bike is perfect for Christmas because you get a free gear bag, $300 back, and a sticker kit. So that's my review on the TTR50. I loved it, and I think you guys will too.
For all your insurance needs, visit swaninsurance.com.au.